Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out some of the best deals going on at your local Sam's Club Black Friday deals. So, let's dive in. All right, to get us started, we're going to check out this Vizio flat screen television here for $237. That is a great deal. Anyone looking for a flat screen TV, hard to beat that price right there. Here are a couple other brands as well with theirs, so you can check these out. See the prices right here for Vizio. You can also see some of these other ones. The Vizio here for 85-inch, you got $698. That is a great price, again, for a monster television. Here we go. Samsung has theirs on sale as well for $997. So again, if you want a large television, you can check out this one right here. Again, great prices on these, especially depending on what type you want or what brand you want. But you can see some of these prices right here for these large televisions. Another great item to check out are these little crock pots. You saw you had the triple crock pot right here. You also have just the single one for $43. And then also the regular crock pot there for $47. Just want to show you guys this one right here. They also had a bunch of their Christmas decor on sale. You can see some of these nice Christmas setups. $219 right there for some of the deer. And then also you have a little frosty here for $169. So again, those look really nice. I hadn't seen many that look like that. So you get a pretty unique look for some of these deals right here. Also a great thing to grab with a lot of people coming to your house. Some of these Clorox wipes down to $15. So again, great price for those. Really good deal to check some of these out. And again, grab some to keep your house clean, especially with people getting sick and everything going on right now. And you also have some of these sniff and squeeze as well. Then we have a couple different Downy options. So if you need some of these for $15 there. Also, they have some shop lights. These are really good prices for $15 for some shop lights. That's really even comparable to some of the prices we have at Harbor Freight. So again, the Westinghouse option here. So if you need some of those for your shop or your garage or whatever that might be, you can check out these prices right here. Again, great price for Black Friday there. We also have some waterproof laminate flooring. If you're going to have to do some new flooring, definitely check some of these out and see if you like those, and then you can check out some of these prices as well, so whichever one you might be interested in. Also some filters. Great time to grab some filters if you haven't done that already. You can check those out, and then also this shark option here. So if you need the shark for your house, $239 right there for the Never Change air purifier. Again, great price on that. We just saw one like this at Costco. So again, air purifiers definitely on some sales right now. Also, I really like these work lights right here. You can check that out. And then also this inverter. You got the inverter here for $349. So if you need one of those for your house or for your vehicle, you can check that one out. I really like that. Great price on that one right there. Especially with the winter coming up, you can grab one of these little generators. Got a couple other generators here. You see the EcoFlow generator, great one. And also some solar generators as well. So really just depending on what you might need, you can check some of these out. And even the smaller setups as well. So if you just want to take something while you're just hanging out away from the house, you can do that. Or a couple of different ones to help you with your house, maybe the backup battery for your house. I even have this Champion one over here to the right. My dad actually bought that one and he uses it at his house and it works really well. So definitely check some of these out. Highly recommend you grabbing even just one small one for your house in case the power does go out and you can have some backups. Another great thing right now to check out are some pots and pans if you need some of these. Instant savings down to $159. You can check some of those. Again, really good prices on these right now. Especially going into the holidays, might even grab you one and then use them while people are over. So, great thing to check out right here. Another thing are some blenders. Got this Ninja blender, $139. Get some smoothies going. Great thing for that. Another setup right here for the Professional Plus for $89. Hard to beat that price. More options here for Members Mark. You can see these for some Pots and pans, maybe even a great Christmas gift for someone, down to $139. Again, that's a great price for some stuff for your kitchen. You also have the cast iron bread oven, 38 bucks. So if you need one of these for making bread or even just other things with the Dutch oven here, you can check that one out. Get to save some money and then also get you some great deals on a lot of these. Then up next, we have another instant savings deal with some glass food storage. I know our family has moved to completely glass storage, so it's a great thing to grab some of these. $23.98, great thing to check that out. And again, get you some Pyrex. These are going to last you a long time. You do just need to be careful with them because they are glass, but make sure you check those out. Again, great price and a great setup for those. As you can see, a lot of them are gone. Also have the coffee maker here from Keurig, 60 bucks. If you're going to be using a Keurig, great little thing to check out here. You can see these. They're really easy to grab. Some K-Cups for these, but the little K-Mini Plus. So easy way to make you some coffee. Also, we have some Nectar mattresses. So if you need a little mattress here, we got different prices on those, different sizes as well. So whatever size you might need, check out these mattresses. This is a great time to get them because, again, you know, this is some of the best sales of the year. So whichever one you need, a king or a queen, you can check these out. Also, let me know in the comments what you guys plan on grabbing at Sam's, or if you've already gotten some good deals at Sam's. Maybe there's something I missed as well. Let me know in the comments for those. A few other memory foam mattresses and other options right here. You can see these prices. So again, maybe instead of buying a flat screen, you can come up here and buy you a mattress. Looks like they're around the same prices here. And then another great item I recommend is getting you a robot vacuum. These things are game changers, has really worked well at our house. Multiple different ones right here. You can see the different prices, whichever one you might be interested in or whichever one you might need. We got the Roomba, which I feel like is the one that everyone talks about and everyone has used at some point. $250, really good price for that one right there. Again, something similar. I do like the little boxes that they have as well. So those are great things. So you can check that one out. And I've actually never used this Shark brand right here, but you can check that one out. I bet they do a great job as well. But there are a lot of great deals going on right now at your local Sam's Club. Like I said, let me know in the comments what you plan on grabbing. I'll also have some of these links down below, so if you're interested, you can go down there and check those out. Let me know if there's anything that I missed in this video. Love to cover those and try to find those for you guys. If this video was helpful, feel free to like and subscribe so that you never miss another deal.